Students, hi, how are you today? I hope you are enjoying the holiday. Yes? Okay, welcome to this lesson. Today we shall look at sources of energy. Last time we looked at different sources of energy. So today we are going to look at the sources of energy one by one. We shall look at how they work. Okay? Okay, students. Last time we looked at renewable and non-renewable sources. So, what are renewable sources? What are renewable energy sources? Very good. Renewable energy sources are those that can be used over and over again. Renewable energy sources are those that can be used over and over again. Okay? Thank you. Students, can you tell me two examples of renewable sources? Two examples of renewable sources. Very nice. We have sun and wind. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Okay. Now students, what are non-renewable sources? Very nice. Non-renewable sources are those being used faster than they can be replaced. Non-renewable sources are those being used faster than they can be replaced. Okay? Thank you. So, who can tell me some examples of non-renewable sources? Who can tell me two examples of non-renewable sources? Very nice. We have coal. Coal. C-O-A-L. Coal. We also have natural gas. Natural gas. Thank you so much, students. Very good. So, in today's lesson, we shall look at wind. We want to see how electricity is generated by using wind. And here we have our wind power station or wind farm. Wind power station or wind farm. So, students, in this picture you can see some turbines. The turbines are put on a tall tower. Okay? And they should be in a free space so that they can collect a lot of wind. Do you understand? Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, students, let's look at this. Here we have our wind turbine. Wind turbine. Wind turbine. And this is our wind turbine. It has different parts. This one, as you can see where one is, that is where wind comes from. As you can see, wind blows. Wind blows. It means that this part is called blade. Blade. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. The wind will blow the blade. Okay, so we also have this part. It is called shaft. 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 Okay, and this part is called generator. Generator. So a high wind speed is needed for wind power stations to operate effectively. As you can see, students, you look at our wind turbine. Okay, students, as you can see our wind turbine, the blades of a wind turbine spin when wind blows, okay? When wind blows, the blade of the wind turbine they spin, okay? After spinning, the shaft which spins the generator to generate electricity. Do you understand? The blades of wind turbine spin. Spin means they turn around. Okay? After turning around, when wind blows, just like the pinwheels, when the blades spin, when the blades turn around at a high speed, okay? They spin the shaft. Okay? Which spins the generator. The shaft spins the generator, okay? Then the generator generates electricity. Do you understand? Thank you. Next, let's look at hydroelectric power station. Hydroelectric power station. Hydroelectric power station. So that is our hydroelectric power station. Hydroelectric power station. Running water in rivers and waterfalls is used to generate electricity in the hydroelectric power station. This means that in the hydroelectric power station, it uses water from rivers and waterfalls to generate hydroelectricity. Okay? Thank you. Now, that running water in rivers and waterfalls is used to generate electricity in hydroelectric power stations. Do you understand? Thank you. Let's see. Here we have dam. Dam. In the dam, it is where water from river is collected. A dam is built across the river to store a huge amount of water at great heights in a reservoir. For hydroelectricity to be generated, it needs a lot of water. Okay? So that's why it is first collected from the rivers to the dam. Then after, at the dam, there is a small hole opening. It is made to allow water to rush to the turbines. When water is first collected in the river, from the river, then it goes to dam. From dam, they create a small opening which will allow water running at a higher speed that will run to the turbine. Let's see. Okay, students, here we have a turbine in a hydroelectric power station, and this is the turbine. So, the running water spins the turbines in the generators to generate hydroelectricity. It means that when water comes from the dam running at high speed, it will spin the turbine. Then the generator in the turbines will generate hydroelectricity. Okay? Let's see how water flows. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Here we have all that we have looked at first. This is the reservoir. Where water from the river is collected from at first. Okay? And next we have dam. The water from the reservoir, it goes to dam. Then you can see a small opening where water flows from the dam, then it goes to the generator. In the generator, as you can see, we have turbine. That water will spin the turbine, and then the generator, which is in the turbine, will generate electricity. Then the water will now continue. Okay? Thank you so much, students. Now, students, all this activity is in your textbook on page 88 to 90. You can go there and do the activity on that page, okay? In the next lesson, we shall see how electricity is generated by other sources, okay? Thank you so much, students. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye-bye. I love you.